Hey there, fabulous folks. Buckle up because we're about to take a dive into a tutorial that's wilder than a cat wearing watermelon helmet. Ready? Let's roll. Cut to a demonstration of you playing a video with low audio while the sound of a kazoo and orchestra fills the background. Imagine this, you're all cozy, ready to enjoy some epic content, but oh no, there's that pesky air conditioner trying to outbuzz a beat. Fear not, for I've got a solution as snazzy as a penguin in a tuxedo. Introducing the marvelous blackhole2ch. First things first, let's meet our hero, blackhole2ch. It's like a wizard's cloak for your audio, making it dance to your tunes. Get it from the mystical Black Hole GitHub page. Perform the installation incantation. Reboot your system with your one, voila. Part 2, unveiling AU Audio Host, the enchanted host. Now, onto our next magical artifact, AU Host. Picture this as a royal palace where our audio knight will meet their tone-boosting weapons. Fetch AU Host from its digital lair, install it with a sprinkle of fairy dust, and let's proceed. Part 3, crafting sonic spells with flair. Time to whip up some audio sorcery. Open AU Host and summon a new session like you're casting a spell. Introduce a tone booster's effect. These things are like adding sparkles to your sound. Tune them until your ears give a standing ovation. Now set AU Host exit portal to blackhole2ch, and don't forget to instruct your system sound systems to follow suit. Now comes the moment of truth, the grand unveiling of our enchanted creation. Play your tunes from your browser or apps and watch as they ride the audio rainbow through the magical AU Host effects. It's like your sound got a passport to a parallel dimensional awesomeness. Bravo, you just completed an audio quest that even dragons would envy.